Now many birds stay in the area no snow and try to find a food to eat there. Maybe I need to open garage and give them some food. Make sure they have a food to eat. Here to find a bag of seeds for the birds. Okay, I think I get this seed for the bird to eat. Open garage. It's a good here for them. In the area, no snow here, snow everywhere. Now I saw the birds come back here eat. That's good. And hope many of them come there and eat. The seeds I just sprayed there for them. At least they have food, they have a seed to eat because there's snow everywhere now. Oh my God. Everywhere snow now. See that? Right here. At least this area, so no snow covered. So the birds eat now. Just one come back. Many of them I saw before, but now just one. This one see the seeds I throw there for them. Oh, they eat the seed in the trees, which is the plants here. They smart, but I put in the front garage here plenty of seed there, but why they did not come to eat? Oh, they stay in my purple leaf seeds. They eat the seed now. Yeah, that's nice. That's cute. I put a lot of seeds right here in the front of garage now. Like that, but they did not come and eat here yet. Oh yeah, now saw it now. I saw it. Oh, flew away. Now female cardinal saw it. Good. Enjoy the seeds I throw there for you. Okay, good job. He did and then they make babies.
Maybe they talk to each other.
These are just female. I mean, female here, suppose a male surrounding. They kind likely to always pair like that, male and female. So I see a lot of sigma. She did not want to eat she just take every single thing.